Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing well today. Today, we diving into Nigeria stock market, to analyze last week top gainers and how they performed, and more importantly, why they made it at the top gainer list. This is not a buy, sell, or hold type of video. This is just to give you an insight about, the mood of the stock market. However, my stock recommendation video will come shortly after this one. So subscribe to see that one, when it gets uploaded. So let's begin. Number one, Beja. Beja went up 55.57%. Now what's driving Beja? Strong Q1 profit growth, stable FX boosting margins, then lower raw material costs and industrial goods sector rotation. My take is Beja is extremely overbought. Traders should begin to take profit. Number two, Fidson. Fidson went up 32.52%. Now, what's driving Fidson? Fidson made strong Q1 revenue growth, strategic partnerships, expansion plans, and also Fitting is also a shareholder friendly dividend paying company. So that makes Fitting relevant. My take is it's extremely overbought. Traders should begin to take profit. Number three, Mecure. Mecure went up 30.72%. Now, what's driving Mecure? Mecure is a fundamentally improving company with explosive Q1 profit growth, strong revenue expansion, local manufacturing advantage, and it's also a shareholder-friendly dividend-paying company. My take is it's a strong uptrend currently ongoing in Mecure. It will likely keep printing money, but if you are a conservative trader, you should take profit right now before liquidity dries up because this stock lacks volume. And what is going on right now is more of speculative trading. Number four, Restarex. Restarex went up 27.35%. Now, what's driving Restarex? Restarex is a fundamentally improving logistic company with solid revenue growth. Also, strategic FedEx partnership and operational efficiency gains. My take is there is more room for more bull run on this stock because the rally is still in the initial phase. However, run for your dear life. This stock lacks volume and can be considered a penny stock. Now, the reason is you can easily enter into this stock, but it won't be easy to get out of it. Number five, Unilever. Unilever went up 21.43%. Now, what's driving Unilever? Unilever is a strong consumer goods company with excellent Q1 revenue growth, solid margin expansion, strong brand portfolio as well. My take is it's extremely overbought. Traders should begin to take profits. Then long-term holders should just keep holding. Number six, UM REIT went up 21%. Now, what's driving UM REIT? Strong Q1 income growth, solid dividend yield, and defensive real estate exposure. My take is it's overbought, but there is more room for more bull run on this stock. But run for your life, run for your dear life because this stock is actually a penny stock. Number seven, UACN. UACN went up 16.93%. Now, what's driving UACN? UACN is a fundamentally transforming conglomerate which had an explosive Q1 profit growth, strategic Chi acquisition, also diversified business portfolio. They also pay dividend as well. So my take is it's extremely overbought. Traders should begin to take profit. Long-term holders should just keep holding. Number eight, Unicel. Unicel went up 12.92%. What's driving Unicel? Currently, Unicel is an improving company with explosive Q3 profit growth because they made a strategic pivot to higher margin oil and gas services. Now, my take on Unicel is it's extremely overbought. Traders should begin to take profits now on Unicel before liquidity dries up. This stock doesn't really command massive volume. Number nine, Maybaker. Maybaker went up 10.13%. Now, what's driving Maybaker? Maybaker is a fundamentally improving pharmaceutical company with strong 2025 profit recovery results, also solid revenue expansion. Another thing is they can boast of essential medicine portfolio. So, that's huge. My take is the stock is in a healthy uptrend. You can actually buy the stock. Number 10, UBA. UBA went up 10%. Now, what's driving UBA? I really don't have anything new to say about UBA other than to tell you to accumulate UBA right now. Just accumulate. So, like I said earlier from the beginning, right? So, the essence of this video is to explain what happened in the top gainers stocks of last week. The next video will be my stocks recommendation video for this new week. So hit the like button and subscribe to see that one when it's uploaded. See you in the next video.